Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with another video here. It's Warzone and I'm going to show you my unlock tool here that I'm selling. So just a quick show here guys. This account here has nothing, it's level 1. Yeah, I run the tool before, but as you can see the loadout is locked, operators locked. So let me just run the tool here real quick. 1 second. So basically it's run now. So if you go back in here, look, I have all the operators and weapons. Go to skins. As you can see, I have all the skins, and this is the same account. And I can write in the chat here like 2022 LAJ working for unlock all, and this is June, latest patch. So yeah, go get yourself this tool or the service for console, works for everything, crossplay, everything. So yeah, go and get yourself a tool. Bye.